goose. Goose. We're gonna be doing it again for the goose. Goose. Nine goose. This goes right good. Very good. Some more old school goose. Not goose. 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 Let it go whistle. Ah, good. This whistle Cam, look at me normal. It's good. It's good. One. And the good. Please go say good. It's good. Good. I got Call of Duty Goose because it isn't working for some reason. Because unlike my dad, my dad has Call of Duty Goose and he plays it every day. Because I want to play downstairs in basement Goose. Yeah, stuff. Sauce like Goose. Goose. We're gonna start to do some reacting videos someday, Goose. Okay, Goose? I'm excited for that, Goose. No, because you know what, Goose? I don't think I don't want to play this right now. I don't want to play any game right now, Goose. I want to react right now because I have YouTube on this TV. React on that, Goose. We're just gonna react to random stuff, right, Goose? I'm going on YouTube. Goose. Hey. Goose. Okay, won't let us. That's good. I have no clue why. What's up, Goose? Hold on, please just get sticky. Because I can't react. Goose. Let's go as it. Just cause we can't. Goose. I want to tell you something, Kate. I am a romantic goose. I am joking. I am the oh yeah. Did I? The cold unknown in the star. Oh no. I miss the light, I miss summer. If it only comes me, only with me. I take a decided step. I miss with me, million. Take a decided step. Darling, you're growing. Look at that jet up there driving in the skies, and it's a bad guy. I can tell I'm not so dumb. I'm a rebel. I know my rebel stuff, so I'm not dumb. Why is there no people in no cars here? That is so sad. I don't want that to be like that right now. Oh my gosh. I think I saw a car. Oh, there's another one on. I meant to say that's a motor scooter. This is the rebel song of paradise, side of paradise. This side of paradise, it might bite, but I could again and make it come true. I want it to be like it's a magical time. Don't mention it too much, or else you're gonna suffer the consequences. Do come in the morning. Goose, and the rubber cooker. Going after the counts, is coming to us. Take the service to the night, you're going after the counts, good. Rubber goose. Goose. I cannot wait goose for summer goose. My Bible cooking them and out the door. A bap at the cloister. Oh, look at it, man. I'm a baboo. I'm a baboo. I'm a baboo. Baboo. And the clap and the clap and the open mouth. And the clap and the clap and the open mouth. Look at that rebel side there past the door. A bap and the clap and the cries out. Oh, I got a call in my rebel. Oh no, I don't need to do that mission. There's some beggars up here right now. I need to go kill them. And I put up my flap in the open mouth. And the clap on my flap in the open mouth. And the bad roll cooking them out the door. A bap at the cries out. Oh, and the bap at the trap and the open mouth. And the clap and the trap and the open mouth. And the bad roll cooking them out the door. A bap at the trap and the cries out. Oh, my boo-boo, and a boo-boo, oh, look, the rebel did crash into that, breaking it, broken. I want to drive another car that's not broken. Wow, that's a good ramp for the best. Oh, there's the same kind of rebel car right there. And there's a rebel in it. There's a rebel over there. Here comes. There's a rebel up there. They're busy. There's a rebel right there that's not busy. Oh, there's another one. Oh, there's another one. There's where the purpose. Go. Like you wanna dance. I don't wanna dance. I don't need your hands all over me. I don't really. Why are you not dancing in my car? This is not a job. I'll tell you right now. Don't change your mind. Look this music. I was about to drive about you. Don't do that again now. I don't like that. Why needed that to me and you're tricking me? Did you do that on purpose? There is a bad guy over there. There's more than just one over there. Kill me before I die too. I don't want to color of the bus up. There's a rebel. I see that dying. I'm about to say a DRM sergeant. I need to kill that one too. Not just that one. Just this one. I'm gonna go up, better go up, pull up in my prime, pull up in my rebel car, it's nice. Red goose? There better not be any more baggage when I leave. Hopefully they don't spawn. They don't deserve to spawn. I need them to not spawn at all. Oh, come on. Why is it getting like that? I need to go get a different rebel car. I don't even know how that rebel car got destroyed by accident. I never even did anything meant to happen. I need to get some gas. Never got that one. There it is. It's coming down. It has a red car on the big toe. The shirt is a rebel to this one. Underneath the rebel house, there's a house on my heart of it, but I want this. What do you got? That's what the quiet talk says. When I'm saying it, the foot is my door, Bob, on the boot up, pop. So, Whistle can look at me, Noah is in the U.S. Army. Unlike me, I'm in the rebel army, which is way more better than any other army you can imagine. I had to pose them on the magic code. Look at the first boy. Look at the fat boy. Huh? Yep. Jumping on the highway. The highway's on fire because of my wheels, making everyone think I'm hot. I'm gonna go some other for the number one top. The number so bad, be left for some dump. Look at that cuckoos. I almost ran him over. See if I can escape, guys.